Before talaga kami magkakilala, hindi ako adventurous. Nung nag-meet kami, boyfriend-girlfriend, na-hook ako sa hiking.
Since na-influence ko nga si husband, naging both adventurous na kami and we both like outdoor activities.
Sabi ko, okay to, HEV, 4x4. For the price range of a 4x4 HEV vehicle, affordable talaga siya. Siyempre, dyan papasok yung papapayag mo si Mrs. na mabili natin.
Yeah, actually, at first, I was hesitant. When we test drove it, ayun, instantly I was sold. Wala akong masabi. It's so spacious and sobrang comfortable talaga niya. So yeah, with D30, we're both happy.
Actually, yung na-realize ko nung nabili yan, kaya mo palang magtipid na ganyang kalaking kotse. Yun nga, sabi ko, para ka nagda-drive lang ng sedan, so comfort niya, di mo akalain na wala siyang tagtag. Tapos yun nga, for the price point of that SUV, feel mo premium ka.
And now that we have our own baby, gusto din namin siyang ma-introduce into nature. So yeah, we decided na mag-invest into something na mas kampante kami pareho i-drive to anywhere nakasama yung baby namin. As a mom, my top priority is my babies and family safety. That's why I chose Baik D30.